open Photoshop 2023. Make sure you're using a newer version because older version like Photoshop 2020 don't support plugins for QR codes. Next, go to the Plugins menu at the top and click Browse Plugins. In the plugin marketplace, search for QR code. Look for a free plugin. There are free ones available, but you can also purchase premium option if you prefer. Once you've chosen a plugin, click Install. After installing, restart Photoshop. Now go to Window, Extension Legacy, and click on QR code. A panel will open where you can paste any website link you want to turn into a QR code. For example, your LinkedIn profile URL. Paste the link, click Create, and that's it. Your custom QR code is ready and can now be added to your design.